Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video for you. This time I thought I'd do a little comparison or I'd like to share a few of my bags with you, and these are the Damier Infini leather bags that I have in my collection. So yeah, stay tuned to see what I have. So, if you have watched a previous video, you saw that I unboxed this baby, which is the Porte Document Jour in the Damier Infini in the Vert Acide colorway. You can see it's a very nice yellow, but I think Vert Acide means green acid, but it's not green at all. If you can see. And so what I wanted to show you guys is my Damier Infini collection. And before I do that, I did mention this in the previous video, but if you are not familiar with Damier Infini, it's very similar to the Empreinte, the monogram Empreinte line in the women's, where it is a imprinted monogram. This one, however, you can see it's an imprint of the Damier square patterns. So yeah, this is in the Vert Acide, which is a yellow. And I have all my bags right here. They're still in their dust bags, so I have to take them out. So this bag was featured in another video where I said it was my worst luxury, what do you call it, my worst luxury investment, even though it is such a beautiful bag. Look at that blue. And let me just compare. So this is the same bag. This is the Porte Document Jour, and here is the yellow one. There you go. So I bought this one brand new in the store, and I bought this one, as you can see, from Fashionphile. And then let me just put these right here, and I'll bring out, oh, so the blue one, this color is called Neptune. Okay. I think it had a different color when it first came out. I mean, different name of the color blue when it first came out, but I think they settled on the name as Neptune. Okay, and then here is the final bag that I have in the Damier Infini, which is in a very beautiful orangey red, and I think this one is called Fusion color. And it does have a luggage tag. So this is the Porte Document Voyage in the classic size. You can see it does not have D-rings, and so it is not a shoulder bag. It is strictly a hand carry bag. But yeah, these colors are just so amazing. Let me try to put them right next to each other so you guys can see. Just the colors of the handles, look at that. It's such a pretty array. And here are the different colors side by side. Oh my goodness, this is such a beautiful bright color, and this is very, I think anyways, very unusual for any fashion house to have such vibrant colors for, you know, men's pieces, because what guy would buy something so loud like that? And probably that's why these bags don't really fetch a very high resale value in today's markets, unfortunately. And that's why the blue one, I purchased that one brand new, full retail price in the boutique. And it was featured in my worst luxury investments video because I saw that this bag was on resale websites like fashionphile. This one is in very good condition. The only issues are, so one, it did not come with the strap, but I said in a different video that I do have a black strap from my Damier Graphite porte-document jour that I will use with this bag. The only issues were that there are just a little bits of dirt marks on the bottom here and down here, but you know, it's the bottom of the bag. I don't really care about that, and it would get dirty anyways. I do worry that if I wear this bag, let's say with blue jeans, there would be, you know, color transfer, and so yeah, I'm a little worried about that. But I also have two more pieces in the Damier Infini line of pieces. So I do have, so when I got this bag, I told my SA what else comes in that color, because I wanted, you know, the full collection. Sort of like how I'm going crazy right now with the green caviar emeralds, or the emerald green caviar Chanel pieces. I just went crazy over this one. Now, these were very expensive pieces. Now, Louis Vuitton is more known for their canvas pieces, and so just a perspective. So this one in all leather, so this is all leather, inside is fabric, but the entire bag on the outside is leather. This retailed, and this is back I think in 2014, this retailed for $2,600. That's $2,600. And the regular version, let me just show it since I have it out already. So this is the bag where I'm going to use the strap from, which is a black strap. So this one I think retailed for $1,200. And so yeah, the leather version was almost a bag in itself. It was over $1,000 more than the canvas version. So with that said, so this is a few years ago. I wasn't making as much because I was still a graduate student, and so yeah, I did not go as crazy as I did for the Chanel green caviar items as I did with this one. So I only have 3 pieces, which I know it's still, you know, a fair amount, but let me just show you the other items that I have. So this is again in that Damier Infini, the Neptune color, and this is the Brazza wallet. Let me just take out everything that's in here. So I use this for my checkbook, and yeah, I know. We still need checks to pay for stuff. What do we need checks for? Maybe to like pay like gas bills or whatever. I don't know, but yeah, I still use it for my checkbook. And here, let me just show you. I have a Disney checkbook cover, but I do insert that into on this side. And then on this side I have cash, and then in the zipper compartment, I don't even think I have anything in there. I do not. So yeah, this is what I use for my checkbook. It is the Brazza wallet. It is my only Brazza wallet in my collection, and I do have it in the leather. And I also have this bracelet. I forget what it's called, but as you can see, it'll focus. It is in the Neptune color on one side, and on the other side it's in, I think, this darker blue color. It was called Cosmos because it's sort of like the night sky. And so it is reversible, so if I'm feeling a little darker one day, I could, you know, put it on that way. And if I want to be matchy-matchy with my cobalt blue or my Neptune blue color, I could put it this way. And so these 3 colors, the red, the yellow, and the blue, I think were the most vibrant colors that they came out with, because there was also, like I said, they did come out with the Cosmos color. They also came out with a sort of like a dirt brown color. I forget what that was called. And of course, you can't have a color without having black in there. So they did have black in the colors as well. But I am so happy to have all three of these bags in my collection, because yeah, they're just so pretty. I guess that's all I really wanted to share with this video. If you have any comments or suggestions on other videos that I could do, please leave them down below. Always give me the thumbs up if you like the video, and be sure to click subscribe if you are not already. Yeah, I hope to see you guys around for the next video, and until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.